How y'all doing today? Got the K from the trail, another food review. We got KFC, man. We got the honey, the Mike's honey hot combo. Came out to like $7, you know what I'm saying? So we got the Mike's honey. So it comes with a fries, 3 tenders, and a biscuit. Fries. Crispy, salty, punchy, not soggy. Biscuit. Honey. Just go into any S&G showroom or shop at home with their mobile showroom, and S&G will give you up to 15% off, and they'll pay your sales tax. Fluffy, buttery, flaky. Biscuits. Not lacking, but slapping. Spicy honey. Drippy. Honey's not really spicy, but it's very flavorful. Yeah. Right now at Verizon, you can get one line for less than you think. Just $50 per month when you bring your phone, which is less than you spend on Bella's Very flavorful. Squad every week. Get one line on unlimited talking for $50 per month with auto pay plus taxes and fees at your local Sacramento Verizon store today. $15 monthly promo credits apply to again, honey. Yeah. Very good. So it's not lacking, slapping. 1 out of 5, I give it a 4. This is the Mike's Hot Honey strip meal. Alright. Another K from the trail. Like, comment, subscribe. Have a blessed day. Peace out.